Hello, pre-show recording. So, last episode we kind of ended on a bad note because my dog got a little antsy after it started the thunderstorm, and it's still thunderstorming. And I thought it was a perfect atmosphere for episode 11. So that's what we're doing. Episode 11. We're gonna try and challenge the gym. See how much this stuff is worth. Interested in exchanging your ticks for some awesome prizes? Dang. Was even in the lucky egg? Oh, that's actually kind of good. A 0. Can you get a 0? Pokemon that is strong. Mega Salamence Board, Ditto, Psychic, Dragon Claw, Substitute, Reno Shock, Power Stuff. Ooh, I should buy this. Hold on. Let me just go on Safari. Nope. Okay, anyways. Bronze. Odyssey. Codes. Okay. Let's see here. Which one gives ticks? $5K ticks on 20K on my 20K members thing. I need the 5th gym badge for that though. I think that's it. I don't think there's any ones that have. Yeah. Whatever. You just have to get a few ticks. I'm gonna grind ticks off camera. Probably. Try to remind myself later because I need that power bracelet. Welcome to the Golden Pokeball. We're completely booked right now, but if you get an application, we can put you on the wait list. Seems we're out of applications too. Okay. Let's go have some fun. Yeah. Is it trash day today? It is. It's Trevish. Bag. I'm still a great bow at it. Hopefully it catches. Nice. We got trash. No. You're going in the box, buddy. cool. Anyways, let's go. That's Pokemon version of Starbucks right there. I applaud the effort, I guess. Get an E for effort. Welcome to Shopping District. ##J. The Pokeball shop is just ahead. Let's all go now. There was so much talking in this part, dude. Half the episode's probably gonna be just talking here. Gerald, is that you? Oh my goodness, is that you, Tess? My, you look a lot older than the last time I saw you. It's been 5 or 6 years at least. How's that grandfather of yours? It's been 10, actually. My grandfather is as old as an obnoxious as always. Oh, that sounds like him, alright. So what brings you kids all the way out to the great city in the sky? Gerald, I remember my father talking about traveling with you all over Warrior. Oh, yes, your father and I were very well known for our adventures and findings all throughout the region. There is hardly a rock in Warrior that we have left unturned throughout the course of our expeditions. I was so hurt when I found out that about your mother and father's disappearance. I've hardly left the city, but I'm a handful of times since that time. Cat. You know, I was a part of the first search party to go looking for your parents. After a week of searching some of the places your father and I traveled to, I could not think where else to look for them. Ooh, the rain is getting heavy. I'm so sorry that we're not around to see you grow to become the capable young person you are now. It's all right, Gerald. I'm actually not here to talk about my parents, though. Oh, well then, how can I help you? These are my friends Jake and AJ. You see, not too long ago, a ruthless gang of evil people named Team Eclipse kidnapped AJ's parents. AJ and I and Jake have been tracking them down until they wound up in Rose Cove, where Grandpa and I were attacked by Team Eclipse. Thank you, AJ and Jake, Grandpa, Thanks to AJ and Jake, Grandpa and I were saved. Unfortunately, we were not able to... Actually, I saved it, not Jake. Unfortunately, we were not... Dang! Did you hear that? Oh my god. Shoot. Okay, I'm gonna end recording early there. I'm sorry if you guys want to see this, but I'm just gonna go through this right now. Oh my god. Shoot. Please hurry up. Please hurry up. Come on. I'm sorry if you guys want to hear this. I told you there's a lot of talking. Come on. Sorry if you guys wanted to see this story. It's fine. Isn't a huge part of it right now. I gotta go, dude. Come on. Yes. Ooh, wait, hold on. Quick ball. Quick ball. Get the quick ball. Okay. Go. I have to save out here. Come on, dance. Dance. Okay, nice episode, guys. Gotta go. Peace.